A good friend, Alan Smith.
Yeah, hi there, Martin. Walking into the ground today, I've just got that feeling it's going to be a really good afternoon.
Our match today is Wolverhampton Wanderers versus Manchester United. And here is the way Wolves are set out for this vital fixture. We put it up as a 5-2-3. It could be 3-4-3, couldn't it, if the wide players get forward from the back?
Yeah, I think it's one of those. It could be anything the manager wants it to be. He has got some very talented lads out there, though.
This is then the Manchester United lineup. David De Gea starts in goal. Paul Pogba plays with Anthony Martial on the flanks. We'll see how the striking option works with just one up front. Building steadily here, keeping possession. Going for goal! And that's a corner for Manchester United. Put the corner in the middle. Not wanting to catch the corner, he's fisted it away from danger. Back into play off the crossbar. Goalkeepers love to be busy, and he's certainly busy at the moment. The frame of the goal helping him out. And now at least he can settle his team down and get the ball upfield.
Well, if you hit the postal bar, you've not hit the target. Although they did in the second one, it was too easy for the keeper.
Now the possibility for a cross. Anticipated the direction of the pass and was able to intervene. The referee, sometimes you can get too close to the action. He's through. Now they're pressing in at him. Well, he's got the ball back. This could lead to something. Cleared it well. Well, these two players, perhaps we picked out as the likely candidates to keep a special eye on. Alan Smith.
I love watching this pair play. They haven't disappointed this season. They've been the most threatening players for me, for both their teams.
It's a pass, and here's the shot. He's had a real go. It's a decent effort, that, with plenty of sting in it.
Yeah, not far away. He really did fizz it, didn't he?
Pogba. Fred. I don't know whether the managers told them to do this, but they're just defending deep and saying to the opposition, you can have the ball, you're not going to hurt us. Here's Shaw. Can really get at the opposition here. Shot on! Dangerous pass, I think, with the keeper pushing it away. Good clearance. It's good vision to be able to switch the play there. Just the keeper to beat. The shot's on! Up for grabs here.
Still don't know how he kept that out, Martin. What a stop to keep this all square.
Neatly intercepted. Jimenez. It's a good cross. Only partially away from danger. He's looking for the cross, and it's gone out of play there. Well, they've got a corner out of that. A bit lucky, it was deflected.
These fans have had to be patient last 10 or 15, but now they've got something to shout about if they get a good ball in the box.
Now Anthony Martial. Fernandez. Here's Martial. And here's Paul Pogba. He's in. Bruno Fernandez. Corner. And here's a possibility of making a chance to go in front. Corner's taken. And that's That's really the way. Tried his luck. Good connection, just off target, over the top.
Yeah, that has flown off his foot.
This with a chance to go into the lead now. Well, it's a goal that's been on the cards. The better team at this stage of the match. And you wonder whether they would make that domination count. Well, they've done with this goal. Thoroughly deserved. They lead. Manchester United with the lead. Gian Moutinho. This is an exercise in patience as they try to get an opening. And he bangs it away. So it is late now in this first half, and Manchester United still know that questions will be asked of them over the remainder of this game. And they've spread it out wide here. Delivered into the box. Good defensive clearance there. Jimenez. Semedo. Now, can he take them on? Jimenez. Gian Moutinho. Wonderful interception. Fred. Pogba. Getting forward well as a team now. Challenge in sharp. Gian Moutinho.
The fourth official
and the verdict on added time is 2 minutes.
2 minutes of added time.
Jimenez. Totally unmarked in the middle. Going for goal! And it's an equaliser for them. Well, they were caught out here by this quick counter-attack. And setting the ball rolling for the second half, Manchester United. Pogba. Shaw. Maguire. Lindelof. Fred. Pogba. Lindelof. I think that's a good performance, isn't it, Alan, from him in the first half?
Well, really good late equalising goal, and that might just
Guide it through. Whipped in from the wide area. Oh, very easy for the goalkeeper there. Fred. Pogba. Makes the challenge here. Pogba. And here's the shot. Super reflexes from the goalkeeper. But he clears the danger. Well, the wide man can show his skills here. Jimenez. Not rushing it here. Moving from one side to the other. No cross, good block. United couldn't keep it. Gian Moutinho. Plenty of width for the team to attack into. far too close. Across to the keeper. Manchester United's change about to take place. Well, we're 2/3 of the way through the 90 minutes, half an hour to go. Pogba. Coming on strong and looking to play their way through now. Could get the ball into the box now. Well, it is a chance to relieve some of the pressure here by simply having the ball. And the assistant signals for the throw.
Coming off the pitch.
Well, no surprise at this stage in the game that the managers are thinking about making changes. In fact, both managers are here, and we will get a substitution apiece. Fred. Maybe just kicked it a little bit there, and pass goes straight to the opposition. Manchester United with the ball again. And that will be a throw. Jimenez. Moutinho. Now he can cross it. Pogba. Bruno Fernandes. Oh, he's cut that out well read. Lindelof. Martial. Manchester United chance. He's had a go here. Into the lead they go. It's a fine, well-worked goal from a team that's looking well-oiled and looking very well-drilled. They've been the better side. They've played with great panache up to this point. And that goal really sums up the way they have been playing. Excellent. Well, Wolves need to find some fight because they're behind. Moutinho. Rafael Varane. Maguire. Don't want to be caught betwixt and between here, Manchester United, just inviting pressure as they defend this lead.
Well, history tells you that they don't normally sit back, but this is a slightly different United side.
So we're coming down now towards the last 15 minutes. Saw the pass coming and got there first. Pogba. Fred. Quick-witted and quick in his movement too to intercept there. Bit of space to go forward into with the ball. Semedo. Now Anthony Martial. Lindelof. Anthony Martial. Compliment the defender, but not the player trying to cross it. And now the shot! Goalkeeper can only get it out. Manchester United want to make a change now.
Well, the noise in here, these fans, they're like the 12th man trying to G their players up.
As far as central midfield players' performances have gone in games we've seen recently, Alan, this is right up there, isn't it? He's going to be replaced now.
Well, I thought he was going to be in for a really tough battle today against this side, but he was head and shoulders above those midfielders on the opposition, and coming off rightfully to plenty of applause.
And that's into the gloves of the goalkeeper. Not the hardest thing he'll have to do today by any means. Just to remind you of the scoreline, Manchester United a goal to the good.
The attacking team have got a problem here because the opposition are just sitting in and saying, well, you can break us down if you can. They think perhaps they can't break them down.
Certainly wanting to find a teammate, but he's just found an opponent. Well, then it goes. Good block, but a poor cross.
The referee has indicated there will be a
That's the
minimum
referee's decision. 2 added minutes.
added time.
Free kick given by the ref. And that's going to mean a booking for the player.
Oh, without question, it was not the best of challenges.
And the ball is given to the goalkeeper now, David De Gea. Oh, he spotted the pass and cut it out. There's the final whistle, and it's a win here for Manchester United.